Hi Steve,
Hi Yuka.
we've got a workshop coming up at JALT 2020.
What are our participants up for?
They're in for a treat.
I'll be talking about optimal lifestyle choices and habit theories. How about you, Yuka?
I'm talking about study skills your brain loves.
How about we let you read about us here?
Yes, good idea, Steve.
Here's some of the results we got from our students.
Phone use by half?
Oh yes, I recall that student. They also started going to bed at regular hours.
Another student improved their test scores by 20%.
These are the workshop objectives.
So we are creating new habits.
That's right.
And there's task management skills too.
The best bit is you can use them in your lessons and in your own life.
It looks like the audience will have some laughs too.
We certainly hope so.
How about a sneak preview?
Great idea. My component of the workshop is to elaborate on the importance of exercise, sleep, intermittent movement and nutrition, and their important influence on learning. In addition, I aim to propose various habit theories and models that can be easily adopted in your life and for your students in the classroom. Homework was assigned loosely and included the options and considerations of self-reflection, lifestyle, habits, new and possible changes, life in 5 years, and individual ideas with example topics. Here's some of the classroom reports that came through in October. Now that I've prepared your body, brain, and habits, over to you, Yuka, with your study skills.
Thanks, Steve. Here's one of the questions I'm going to ask. Have a guess. We'll be talking about the working memory too. And there'll be a quiz. We hope you enjoy our workshop.
Let's connect at 12:50 on Sunday the 22nd.